Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add row with text in Google Sheet. So let's start. First open your Google Sheet and you can see I have a data. So here I'm going to add row the smartphone product and the second row after the first product. Okay, so I simply select here entire row. I just click on the row number 9 and use the shortcut key Ctrl C. Okay, then I select the row number 2, the first product. Okay, and right click on the mouse and click on the insert one row below. Okay, so you can see the blank row is inserted. Now I'm going to add here the text also. Now select the first cell of the row number 3 and use the shortcut key Control V. You can see here the smartphone product is pasted here. Okay, so this is a way you can add row with text in Google Sheet. So I just select this row and right click on it and delete this. Okay, so that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.